Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, differentiation. In previous video, we have seen logarithmic differentiation and examples on it. Now let us see few more examples on logarithmic differentiation. Question: differentiate number 1, y is equal to x raised to a plus x raised to x plus a raised to x. So it can be written as y is equal to x raised to a plus a raised to x plus x raised to x. In both the terms, a is there and a is constant term. Now consider y is equal to u plus v, where u is equal to x raised to a plus a raised to x and v is equal to x raised to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. For this we can say equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. So first we have to find the derivative of u, then v, and then we can write their derivatives in equation number 3. So let us see first u is equal to x raised to a plus a raised to x, where a is constant. Now differentiate u with respect to x, because u is a differentiable function with respect to x. Therefore du by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to a plus d by dx of a raised to x. But we know that the derivative of x raised to n or x raised to a, that is n x raised to n minus 1, and d by dx of a raised to x, where a is constant, that is a raised to x log of a. Now here we can put x raised to a means x raised to n. So in the place of n we can replace a x raised to a minus 1, where a is constant, plus derivative of x, that is 1. So here a raised to x, that is a raised to x log of a. Now we got derivative, that is du by dx is equal to a raised to a x raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log of a. For this we can say equation number 4. Now we have to take v is equal to x raised to x. Therefore v is equal to x raised to x. And now see here variable is power of x, and therefore here we have to use log. So taking log on both sides, we get log of v is equal to log of x raised to x. That is, this power we can take in front of log, that is x log of x. Now we got log v is equal to x log x. Now differentiate v with respect to x. Therefore d by dx of log of v is equal to, here two terms are multiplied to each other, that is u dot v, and therefore we can use the formula of derivative of u dot v. So first is constant, x is constant, derivative of second is constant, derivative of first, that is x. Now derivative of log of v, we know that 1 upon v, and derivative of this dv by dx. Here x as it is, derivative of log x 1 upon x, and again derivative of x, that is dx upon dx, that is 1, plus log x and derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. Therefore here x divided by x get cancelled, and we got 1 plus log x into 1, that is log of x. So here 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to 1 plus log x. This v value we can shift to right hand side, and therefore dv by dx is equal to v in bracket 1 plus log of x. Now we have to put the value of v, that is x raised to x, that is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x, that is dv by dx. Now here we got dv by dx is equal to x raised to x 1 plus log of x. For this we can say equation number 5. Now put equation 4 and 5 in equation 3, that is du by dx and dv by dx in equation 3. So du by dx, that is a x raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log of a, we have to put here, plus dv by dx, that is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log of x. Now it can be written as dy by dx is equal to a x raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log of a plus x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log of x, and this is the derivative of given function y, that is x raised to a plus x raised to x plus a raised to x. Now let us see second example, that is y is equal to e x square into tan x bracket raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square bracket raised to 3 upon 2 into cos cube x. So here we have another function y is equal to ex square into bracket tan x bracket raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square bracket raised to 3 by 2 into cos cube x. So here all the terms are in the form of question form, product form and power form. Therefore here we have to use log, that is logarithmic differentiation. So here taking log on both sides, we get log of y is equal to, here question form, therefore we can distribute and we can give minus sign to numerator minus denominator, that is log of ex square into tan x bracket raised to x upon 2 minus log of 1 plus x square bracket raised to 3 upon 2 into cos cube x, bracket complete. Now see here log y as it is equal to log of, we can distribute log to both these terms, therefore log of ex square plus in multiplication we can take plus sign, log of tan x bracket raised to x by 2 minus log of 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2 plus log of cos cube x. Now here we can write, or we can take power in front of log, that is x square into log of e to the base e plus log of x by 2 log of tan x minus 3 upon 2 log of 1 plus x square. This minus sign we can give to this minus log of, that is minus into plus, minus log of, or minus 3 power we can take in front of log, minus 3 log cos x. Cos cube x means cos x bracket raised to 3, that is 3 log cos of x. Now here we got log y is equal to x square log e to the base e means 1, that is x square, plus x by 2 log of tan x minus 3 upon 2 log of 1 plus x square minus 3 log of cos x. Now we can differentiate with respect to x, because given function which is given in x variable, therefore differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y dy by dx d by dx of x square plus here x by 2 into tan x, therefore here two terms are multiplied to each other, therefore we can write in this way 1 upon 2 as it is, x is constant, derivative of second, that is tan x, plus tan x is constant, derivative of first. Now minus 3 by 2 d by dx of 1 plus x square minus 3 is constant, d by dx of log of cos x. Now here 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square which is in the form of x raised to n, and its derivative n x raised to n minus 1. So here 2x raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, 2x1 plus 1 upon 2 as it is. First you have to solve this bracket, x d by dx of tan x, that is sec square x plus tan x derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1 minus 3 upon 2 d by dx of 1 plus x square, that is derivative of x, derivative with respect to x of 1, that is 0 because 1 is constant, 0 plus, and derivative of x square, that is 2x raised to 1, that is 2x, minus 3 derivative of log of cos x, that is, we know that derivative of log, that is 1 upon, so here 1 upon cos x, and again derivative of cos x, we know that derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. Now here 2x raised to 1 means 2x plus 1 upon 2 in bracket x sec square x plus tan x into 1, that is tan x, plus 3 minus 3 upon 2 into 2x minus 3 into 1, that is 3 upon cos x, and derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. Now here we got 2x plus 1 upon 2 in bracket x square x plus tan x. Here minus 2 upon 2 get cancelled, that is minus 3x, and minus minus plus 3 sin x upon cos x. 1 upon y dy by dx. So y we can shift to right hand side. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y, and in bracket we can write all these terms. 2x plus x square x plus tan x divided by 2 minus 3x plus 3 sin x upon cos x, that is tan x. Now put the value of y, and already we know that value of y is ex square into bracket tan x bracket raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square raised to 3 upon 2 into cos cube x, and put the value of this bracket 2x plus x square x plus tan x upon 2 minus 3x plus 3 tan x, and this is the derivative of given function y is equal to e raised to x square into tan x bracket raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square 3 by 2 into cos cube x. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.